Imagine hiring Sonic the Hedgehog, then forcing him to crawl like Winnie the Pooh for 6 months before he can run. That's slow rep onboarding. Companies spend salaries for half a year before new reps even sell. Now flip it. AI personalizes onboarding. Instead of manuals nobody reads, reps get bite-sized training modules tailored to their role. Jerry from Tom and Jerry practices with AI buyers, handling objections before he ever faces a real one. And Mario? He walks into his first week already armed with a personalised microsite from moksy.ai, looking like a pro from day one. Slow onboarding isn't just expensive, it's unnecessary. AI makes reps field ready in weeks, not months. Subscribe now. Next we fix personalization.